Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is September 9th, Tuesday. We got just a couple economic news releases scheduled for today, and that is the NFIB Small Business Index. This is the confidence level of small businesses, which is important primarily because they make up the majority of the jobs out there. So if they're feeling good about where things are at, they're gonna tend to hire more people. So obviously, jobs is a big thing. So back in July, we had a 95.7 reading, and August actually jumped up, so 96.1. So good news right there, and that indicates that small businesses are feeling a little bit more um, confident about where things are moving. Job openings, not as important, but as the NFIB, but it's still something we try to keep gauge on. Basic came in at same 4.7, 4.7, but it was actually minuscule. This is rounded up, so there was actually a slight off if you look at the minuscule number. So it was like by 0.02 difference in million, so which would be about 20,000 people difference. All right, so not as a bit, nothing to be alarmed about with that, as it's not even a big market mover. Stock market's currently down. They've been going through the earnings reports, if they're beating it or losing it. Apple's coming out later today, so they're kind of also holding back a little bit for Apple's news at 10 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. This could be a big market mover with the stocks as well. It indicates for the bonds, primarily because they're expected to release their new iPhone 6, the new smartwatch, and then also some new devices for payment, trying to create overline online payments and stuff. So some new things that Apple's supposed to be releasing today at 10 o'clock. So that could change the market. The Dow is down actually almost around 100, and it's pulled back so far this morning to about 61. So that could obviously change and maybe even improve once Apple releases if they're impressed enough. Bond market, we are down for the day. We're down to about 102.15 currently. So that creates a pricing for the worst. So interest rates have a slight price increase. It's not enough for a huge change in the pricing. So you're talking maybe about an eighth of a percent if it's affected at all in the pricing, or that 1 point loan may cost you 1.125, some along that line. So that's how we're kind of talking about when we talk in these terms here. All right, folks. So rates have crept up a little bit today. At least the pricing for interest rates crept up a little bit today. And again, we got some more economic news. Every day we'll have a little bit of economic news. Friday be more of the big days, as we mentioned yesterday, with the retail sales and the consumer sentiment. All right, have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.